Hi! Hello, vlog! Ay, tumigil. Talaga. Ano ba yan? Ba't naman dumigil? Ay! Ay! Nanonood po kami. May candies. Ng TV. Ay! Candies. Vlog tayo. Epic naman yung vlog natin. Nilaglag ng cellphone. Hello. Hi, vlog. Ano kasi mo sa kanina? Hello. Nood po tayo ng Netflix. Ay, dito natin yan ilagay. Oh, raining. It's raining, Candice.
Laws against being weird.
Baba! Ayan po ang buhay ni Candice.
The laws get hit by the parents who have nothing other than say put something.
Alright, Wade. You put these balls on my desk and you ask me to return them tomorrow.
Sabay ka na.
I've done my job. What you do
Bye-bye! Boboy! Bye-bye! Bye-bye muna. Actor ka na. Bye-bye! Bye, vlog! Papansin naman to, ayaw.
You know what?